The Foldable Beginner Quadcopter revolutionizes entry-level drone flying through integrated GPS positioning, enabling waypoint navigation and automated flight path programming suitable for creative aerial content creation. This sophisticated quadcopter features built-in 1080p HD camera, delivering smooth video recording and high-resolution photography throughout diverse aerial perspectives. The advanced 6-axis gyroscope stabilization system combined with altitude hold functionality maintains stable hovering throughout wind and environmental challenges, ensuring consistent video quality. The compact foldable design with collapsible arms enables convenient portability, fitting within backpacks and travel cases, making spontaneous aerial adventures accessible. We share by links in description box. The innovative waypoint positioning capability enables programmable flight paths, enabling autonomous navigation between predefined coordinates, perfect for surveillance, mapping, and creative cinematography applications requiring precision flight patterns. The intuitive smartphone app control through wireless connectivity enables flexible operation without requiring dedicated handheld controller, simplifying user experience for beginning pilots. The responsive mid-flight controls provide immediate feedback, enabling smooth transitions between manual operation and autonomous waypoint navigation. The comprehensive battery life supports extended flight sessions, enabling thorough area coverage and creative content development. The straightforward setup procedures with included instruction documentation enable rapid deployment, enabling immediate operational readiness. The exceptional affordability combined with advanced GPS features and 1080p camera capability demonstrates remarkable value. The outstanding balance combining beginner-friendly design, GPS precision, waypoint automation, 1080p video, and accessible pricing establishes this quadcopter as exceptional choice for aspiring drone pilots and content creators prioritizing autonomous flight capability.